Today we're going to be making Yakisiozake, or grilled salted salmon fillet. We'll be making ours in a frying pan, so I'm going to give you some tips on how to make it easily and how to make the cleanup even easier. You're going to find out soon enough why this is a really popular dish for breakfast and lunch in Japan. And in 6 minutes, you'll be eating the perfect salmon fillet. For more Japanese cooking, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and let's get started. Yakisiozake. So today we're going to be cooking using parchment paper in our frying pan. And as you can see, it's a square. So first what we're going to do is make our parchment paper into the perfect circle for our frying pan. So let's start with some origami. Fold a square piece of parchment paper in half, and then we're going to fold it again one more time. All right. Now after that, get your frying pan. And please don't judge me for my frying pan. It's had a lot of use. And then we're going to put one corner in the center of our frying pan. And then we're just going to cut around just like this. Now, it doesn't have to be a perfect circle, but the closer you get, the better. All right, so now you should have this. Use your parchment paper. It should be a nice circle and it should fit your frying pan. So go ahead and let's put that in our frying pan just to make sure. All right, looks like everything fits perfectly. If it's a little big, just push it down. If it's a little small, that's not a problem either. So now let's move on to our salmon. Today we're going to be cooking 2 salmon fillets, and make sure to take those out of the refrigerator 15 or 20 minutes before you start cooking. This way we can cook everything nice and evenly. And after that, we're just going to get all of the extra moisture off of the salmon fillets. Take a paper towel and just dab off all the extra moisture like I'm doing here. Now that we've got the extra moisture off of our fillets, they're ready to go. So what we want to do next is get your frying pan out again and turn up the heat to about a medium heat. Now remember, when you're cooking fish, put it skin side down first. With this first fillet, I can't do that. With the second fillet, I can. And this way, it's just going to keep more moisture into your fish. It's not going to dry out. And you're going to have this nice crispy skin too. Put the lid on and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. It should turn a little pink, and then you're ready to flip. It might stick just a little bit, so with the little TLC, you'll be able to flip it no problem. And look at that. It looks beautiful already. So next, we're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of sake, or Ryourishu, and this is going to give it a more umami taste, and it's also going to cut down on the fishy smell of cooked fish, because no one really likes that anyway, right? All right, so we'll put the lid back on, and then we're just going to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. It shouldn't burn, and when you're done, it should look something just like this. Wow, that looks great. So these fillets are ready to eat. You can enjoy them however you want. Just like this, you can put some grated radish on it. What I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna put them on top of some shiso. So on my plate, this is perilli for shiso. It has this nice refreshing taste to it. And then I'll just lay my fillet on top and I'm ready to go. All right, so our salmon's finished. Let's give it a try. Now you can eat it with the skin on or off. It's really up to you. Sometimes I eat it with it on, sometimes I don't. Just depends on how it's been cooked. But let's give it a shot. That's really good. It's simple, it's easy, it's quick to make. I hope you enjoyed making this with me today. If you like this recipe and you want to see others, remember to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Let me know how you eat your salmon in the comments below. And until next time, this is Yakisiozake. This is so good. Mm.